you unhook the cable on the front?
Sure did.
Plugs in?
Yep.
I trust you, but I'm looking.
So nice nobody else is here right now.
Yeah, because last time we had somebody coming in right but after us, and we had to get on the other side so we could try starting it, and it did not want to.
Times are changed, though. Oh yeah, girl. Give her some throttle. Wake her up.
Whew. Our starting battery voltage is not super high.
Yeah.
It's got full start. Ooh.
Throttle up on that.
I'm all the way up. Not all the way, but.
So while you're starting there, throttle forward. Pump the ball and like squeeze the shit out of it. And what's that? That thing says hold a prime?
Yeah. I don't know if that's when I have to do that.
Hmm.
I don't like that. That ain't doing shit.
I've never had a pull start motor.
She'll start.
Stay. We're getting close.
It's wanting.
There's some fuel. Pull it.
Oh, she wants it. Just sounds weird.
Oh, well, what the hell?
Fucking.
Let's back her in and get her tied off. Just in case somebody does come.
Okay.
And then we're gonna get, she's close.
What?
She's close. She wants to start.
Sheep's quarters. One thing we could have done is flooded it. That's what I'm thinking we might have done after we got it going, and it's okay.
All right. So what I feel is it's flooded. So what I feel we should do is give it some time, test out the turbo motor,
First room?
and just get to a fishing area.
If we can get around, I'm gonna go to the finger just on the other side of the island. That's the
Yeah.
closest price spot.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Son of a bitch.
You should just be able to reach in there.
Oh wait. I forgot
it?
it's got a latch.
Yeah. Locked in? Good deal. All right. Show us the way.
You know the way.
I know the way. We're gonna find out.
Not much to drive it like a truck.
Crank her up to 10, remember? I'd go out your other way. You're pointing towards the ramp.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Learn.
Oh. Oh. We are moving. Here's a nice quiet. We're making wake. Oh yeah. I'd go straight if you could.
Come on. I asked with this trolling motor last time. Now I'm like, something broke? No, it's running how it should.
Yeah.
No wonder it's probably popping off that latch because it was getting so much torque.
Mm-hmm.
It was taking everything in me to hold that thing while my dad was trying to drive this.
And yeah, that.
Like he was running the pedal and I was running the. He doesn't like right there. It's a little choppy.
Like I was telling them, every boat has a little bit of a quirk to start. Like mine,
Gotta have it in a certain
yeah,
way.
like I have to like have mine half throttle and
Stick your tongue out to the left at
Yeah.
a 45-degree angle and wink twice, kind of
yeah,
type thing.
slap her in the ass, all those things. We stopped at a spot. We're gonna do some crappie fishing, and then we're gonna try the motor again. But yeah, let's try to catch some fish. Oh, 20 seconds
If that.
to have water in it.
Yeah.
That's fine. It's just because of the water level sucking in.
Yep.
So like you
I
can
was
put,
like,
yep, I just put the plug in it and then we could fill it up a little bit with the bucket. That's fun.
second plug.
I caught that one on. Little jig head, little crappie magnet with little all yellow chartreuse, whatever color it is.
Well, we might not have to go very far to get our fish.
I hope not. Hurry up, Caden.
What?
Hurry up.
Dude. Dude, this boat fits perfect in this spot.
Oh yeah.
And then it wedged itself underneath. Alright. Throw those fuckers in. Where's that little boy?
Just toss him in the bucket. Holy mother of God.
Jesus. I'm just gonna let, I don't want to drop that.
That is a big old bitch.
I'm gonna let you just bring that one over here.
I just take the net. Look at that. That is a nice crappie. In the live well.
You're like, dude.
I'd kick your ass. Nice. Oh Jesus. Oh, what was that? That might have been a channel cat. That thing started pulling drag.
Wasn't a crappie.
I don't. If it was, it made that other one look small.
Why am I a bunch of loose?
Oh, that one.
Little fighter.
Swallowed it. Ow. Touche.
It's like, all right, fair enough, buddy.
Throw that one in that way. Or just open up to that way and slide my chair over. Kobe.
Go, you just switched it for, that's all you had to do. It was not interested in anything but.
Hell yeah.
Let me get you over here, buddy.
Is that just a minnow? Switch it over to like that Bobby Garland little jig?
Yeah.
First fish number 1 for Caden.
I did not have, I don't have the divider in for the fish.
That's fine.
I'm not too concerned.
Went up.
Went up, okay.
You want to know the Kirk I found?
Every boat's got its quirk. What's this one's?
I pulled that prime.
You pulled the prime?
It's still pulled out right now.
It doesn't like idling. It's also a 27-year-old motor that's not had all the cobwebs.
She's running though.
Now what happens when you push the prime in? She's not smoking.
So you push the prime and it kills it. Definitely
So
not.
there's an airflow issue? Is that like your choke?
I would assume so. So
it's
you're
like-
getting more fuel.
You're shitting me. You're shitting me, dude.
Hell yes.
That thing pops off because the vent.
The vent. It could.
I bet it was the vent.
It was.
And that kink obviously didn't help. But
But look at this water.
I might need to check the leaks.
It's the GoPro. Oh. Okay. I cannot get to it like I want to. First, we'll check this fuel filter. Well, the amount of sediment in your fuel filter.
Yeah, I saw that and I thought there was a shit ton of stuff in that fuel filter, but I didn't know how to take it off, so I stopped fucking with it before I built something.
Oh, we got that. That fuels to there. To there. Okay, we'll try that first.
It wants it.
where we just keep trying to prime it.
Yeah, because it was soft. But then I pump it, hear it.
Yep.
Why would it do that if I'm pumping it in?
If there is
Like an airlock?
airlock somewhere, we just gotta get it through it.
But it would be airlocked in here, wouldn't it? Not.
Should be in the car. But also it could be that old line coming out of the tank. It could be that. There could be a crack in it sucking a little bit of air.
There could be a bunch of shit.
Yeah. So then it comes up, pulls through. It also could be if there's a bunch of sediment in the bottom of the tank, it starts sucking at the bottom on that. There should be a filter at the bottom of the tank also on that. It could be sucking that
Drying it.
and yeah, cutting off circulation.
Because every time we've cut these, we've had fuel.
And here, that could be a very well thing because we drove it and shook everything.
Yeah.
You know, where you've had it sitting in the driveway because it's settled.
So how do you try to burn all your gas? Do you have to siphon it out?
You can siphon it out and clean it out.
It's at least running now.
Yeah. I think we're getting our steps in figuring out
What's
troubleshooting. I think your car is fine as far as the motor itself is good.
Motor's
You're
good.
as long as we're getting flow to it, it's good. So then you just cut back to okay, all in the line. It shouldn't be the power ball because that's new.
Yep.
Everything
Mine's
else
new
down.
outside.
It was, I would say, tank, honestly. So we did get some sediment in there from running there, but it honestly might be from,
The filter inside the thing.
yeah.
'Cause this filter wasn't that bad the second
No.
lead.
There was a little bit, but that might just be from the line. If it's sucking shit around, I bet you that's why. Because okay, so like when you were out here with your dad, you got it to run,
Yep.
you were driving,
Yep.
and then it stopped working.
Yeah. We got from the dock there up the bend right by the island.
I bet you that's what it is. I bet you got a bunch of sediment. Was there gas in this when you got it? I bet you that's what it is.
And I should have drained it then,
Cleaned it
shot backed everything out, and it filled new.
Yep.
Now I got 14 gallons of,
Yeah.
well, it's less than 14 now.
13 and a half.
Probably 13 and a half.
But yeah, and that's something that we can, because it might be just because it's into a constrict. You pull it out, we can pump that primer stick. I mean, just siphon it out. You know, the motor and then just siphon it all out.
We're moving via a motor now. Oh, I thought it just died.
Oh, I had to throw it. I think if we keep it running, we run it around a while.
We're not catching fish right now, so we might as well
And now we can go to different spots where I know we should be able to catch.
catch some fish. Just let it run out.
You're good. Okay, so I idled down to make sure. I know there's a tree underneath the water. I didn't want to hit it at, a throttle. Idled down. It wanted to die. It still wants to start with the choke, but it sounds like it lost its prime to me.
It's like it's
It's a little soft. It's hard now. I bet you I look like a beach whale there.
Shamu.
It was a little soft.
Might come back.
This is bitching. I miss my bass tracker. Like,
Hey, well now you got one we can go take out whenever we're both available.
Oh, my tree moved.
Oh, tree. That's
That was over in the hole.
I was like, that was further over, wasn't it?
All right, we made it 4 miles. Ran without an issue. Running good. When you idle down, it wants to die. I still think it's that filter.
I think it's the filter inside the tank. I'm in the same boat as you.
Ooh,
Obviously, I'm in the same boat as you.
that is
Dad
funny.
jokes.
That is funny. So, since we're all the way up here, we're at a check. We're gonna fish for who knows what.
I don't know. I'm gonna throw a spinner because I'm a 5-year-old.
Tee.
Against this bug, but we're not resting with that one. We're not on straight. See? Perfect!
I want to jack this up. I think we were thinking it was going.
I
the
thought
other
it,
way.
yeah. Well, I thought the spring broke, and I was like, son of a bitch.
Alrighty, we made it back. We survived. We survived. We caught a good mess of fish. I think, what did we get? 10-ish crappie, a couple drum. The things that we think problems. Gas tank. Gas tank, there's some crap in it. It's old enough. So we're gonna need to drain that or run it dry, clean that out. That should help with the fuel issue, not getting enough fuel. Towards the end though, we had it pretty dialed. Trolling motor, flawless all day.
Yeah, we didn't have an issue with that. We might need to do a throttle.
Yeah, the throttle,
Adjustment just a little bit.
the throttle on your main handheld for forward and reverse, the throttle is just a little bit off. You give it a little bit and it doesn't give anything until you go a little bit farther. So
And then it gives it
a lot.
too much, yeah.
RPM gauge was working, stopped randomly.
Yeah, not play.
So yeah, not too bad. So you will see us fixing that stuff. It was rough at the beginning, but we got it running. Thanks for watching.